That's me too. I'm Ross. Did you break anything?
Bike's fine.
That was our first priority.
Just make a straight up like bail video.
Yeah. Put the camera away.
Rain. Shitloads of it.
Hurricane Hanna. Pathetic excuse for a hurricane.
It ran for like an hour. It's a camp done.
And my house flooded. Great job. FBM stoked on barks. Done. Okay, quit. My dad, I dropped my bike excuse isn't gonna work but once. What the hell was that giant noise? I dropped my bike 3 times? Yep.
But my dick fell out.
Somebody put peanut butter in my gloves.
Yeah, but this bolt's missing.
It's what? Do you need one?
No.
Yeah, you do. Good God Almighty. Jeez.
You wanna like fly through it?
Nah. I'm not ruining my shoes, man. They will get so soaked and owned.
The water comes up to like right there, dog.
Until you get like right there, and then it gets like this deep.
No.
Oh, gee, dude, the fountain's underwater. What? This doesn't make any sense.
It's hardcore. Dude, wait till the hurricane, what's his ass is getting here. What's his face gets here. Man, it's already gonna be like this. It's gonna stay like this for like 2 days. I don't know the hurricane's coming like tomorrow.
This is just ridiculous, man.
And this is like a tropical storm. I'm gonna get like a category like 8.
Hello? Hey.
Who's that, Brian?
I'm at Linear Park taking videos. You won't believe this.
Who's that?
Oh my gosh, like, you know where, okay, Festival Park, you know, like, the little bridge over the creek and then there's a dip in the road?
Festival Park's underwater.
The dip in the road is now considered a river, legally. Yeah.
Tell them it's waist deep.
It's waist deep. Alright, I'm taking video right now. Okay, bye.
Who's that?
My dad. Oh, jeez, dude.
Yeah.
This is gonna be on vinyl, okay? So we're going to Festival Park, one of our spots right here. Fayetteville, North Carolina. What?
This is a water ski. Oh my God.
Dude! Oh my... This is our spot right here. This is completely destroyed by Hurricane Hanna. Oh my God. Dude, Kinley, try to whip into the water.
Hell no.
Down the 2.
No.
Jesus Christ. This is unbelievable.
We got high water. We're going to see.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That means the water's at least like up to 2.
We need a beaver dam. Be a metro dam. and look at the sky. Like, woo!
Dude, can we get it like a raft, like for real? Like I want to raft right now.
Whitewater rafting, but it's brown water rafting. Cause this creek is disgusting.
It's disgusting. The whole city.
This is water made of like waste and disease.
Dude, I think like the cops are gonna find so many dead bodies now because they're gonna start floating. Like, hey, that's what happened to that guy. He's all fat and sassy.
The sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you.
Oh, buddy.
Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I want to tell you how much I love you. Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I want to tell you how much I love you.
Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah, a million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut dairy gear, like smoking the thinnest air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping them crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Nothing, nothing, you ain't scaring nothing. On some faggot bullshit, call him Dennis Rodman. Call me with your own peach, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more, she changed her name to my bitch. Yeah, nigga, that's my bitch. So when she asks for the money, when you through, don't be surprised, bitch. And it ain't trickin' if you got it, but you like a bitch with no ass, you ain't got shit. Motherfucker, I'm ill, not sick, and I'm okay, but my watch sick. Yeah.